talk a little bit about how students should be studying their flashcards every night. Every night for homework, they will have in their binder an envelope that contains a bunch of different flashcards. In the beginning of the year, it'll just be a few flashcards, but as the year goes on, they will have more and more flashcards that they study. So when they study their flashcards, they're going to have a flashcard study sheet, which looks like this. And I'm going to go over the instructions with you. So step one is that they should shuffle their flashcards, and this is all written down on that piece of paper. So they go ahead and shuffle them just so they're in a different order each day. And then step two says they place 4 flashcards down. So I'm going to go ahead and place my 4 flashcards down here on a flat surface. And then it says, work with the cards till you can answer all 4 correctly. So your child should say both sides. And I'm going to make some mistakes on purpose so you can see what the child should do. So it says 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 4. So I turn it over, and yes, I'm correct. So I go on to the next one. 2 times 3. Let's say I forget and I add. So I say 2 times 3 is 5, which is not correct. I check it and go, oh, 2 times 3 is 6. Turn both of my flashcards over. I move them around. And I start over. I keep on studying these till I get all 4 correct. 2 times 3 is 6. Yes, okay. 2 times 5 is 10. Yes, 2 times 2 is 4. Yes, let's say I make an error at this point. 2 times 6 is 8. I added it instead of multiplying. Oh, it was 12. Do I go on? No. What I need to do is once again turn them all back over and move them to a different place until I can get all 4 correct. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. All 4 correct. I'm going to go ahead and put these 4 over in my learned pile. And then I'm going to take some new flashcards. So I studied the next 4 flashcards. So here I'm going to get my next 4. And I put them out. And I'll do the same thing. I go through all of my flashcards until I have none left. That is steps 1 through 4 on the piece of paper, which are listed right here. So those are steps 1 through 4. Step 5. Step 5 says is when you've studied all the cards, try to go through all of them as fast as you can, making 2 piles, 1 correct, 1 incorrect. So I take all my cards. Ideally, you have a timer, but if you don't, that's fine. And I just go 6 plus 6 is 12. That's 2 times 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's 2 times 3. How to multiply a number by 2. You add the other number 2 times. And I'm checking to see that I have the right answer. 2 times 4 is 6. Oh, it's 8. I put in the incorrect pile. 2 times 2 is 4. That's correct. 2 times 5 is 10. That's correct. Now, I count how many I got correct. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your child should have a lot more than this, especially after the first week. And I will say here that I answered 5 of them correct, and 1 is still in my needs to be learned pile. And then this is where the parent signature goes. And there should be a parent signature saying that you know that your child did this every single day. Your child should get faster and faster with the flashcards. We want them to be automatic and easy. Thank you.